I've actually had a lot of presentation experience in my career through consulting, marketing, and training. I've done a lot of presenting over the years. I've actually taught presentation skills. And I've learned so much from these 4 hours, 5 hours with Akos that I'm definitely going to be taking forward in the future. Brain-friendly slides is a game changer. It changes the way that I am going to approach presentations. It will make a huge difference in the impact that I can provide. And I know there's a whole lot more that Akos has to offer that I'd love to hear someday. A lot of my clients should do it. I think anyone who is in business, does business presentations, it would be invaluable. A lot of the clients I work with do technical presentations, and knowing how to effectively present data could be invaluable to them. I think anyone who is in marketing that wants to convince a client to purchase a product or a service could benefit from the workshop. Trainers. I'm a trainer, and we present a lot of material through visuals, and we could be more effective in our work if we applied brain-friendly slides concepts.